The political landscape is heating up away from the COVID nightmare as well. Remember, there are elections in 5 states for which results are coming up in just a few days from now. Well, a day after the Madras High Court said it was murder what the Election Commission had done by allowing crowded campaign rallies, the Election Commission has had no choice but to ban any Vijay Yatras or victory processions that usually happen on results day. Take a look. Images that will likely trigger and unsettle you today. Images, may we just remind you, that played out just days ago. As India battles the brutal second wave, these images are now a horror story. And now, just before the finish line of 2021's ferocious election season, the Election Commission has made its first solid COVID decision, banning all victory processions on or after the results day on May the 2nd. And warning that no more than 2 people will be allowed to accompany winning candidates.
Amidst heavy criticism from a lot of sectors, the Election Commission of India banned all public road shows, rallies and padyatras of every political party as the cases of corona kept rising in West Bengal, which is still ready to see one more phase, or rather the last phase of its 8-phased election in West Bengal on the 29th of April.
The Election Commission's ban on big Vijay Yatras in the 5 assembly elections comes a day after the poll panel was subjected to the most scathing reprimand from the Madras High Court.
Madras High Court slammed the Election Commission over COVID-19 second wave, holding it singularly responsible for the spread, calling it the most irresponsible institution, and even saying that its officials may be tried under murder charges.
The Election Commission stirring into action comes at a time when both West Bengal and Tamil Nadu have posted record COVID case spikes, their highest ever in the pandemic and still rising. While the damage done by rally crowds is still being measured and assessed, the Election Commission's ban on Vijay Yatras is an obvious stricture, especially when you consider what victory processions have looked like in this country. So come the 2nd of May, unless our netas decide to disobey the Election Commission, it's going to be a quiet day on the streets. Imagine that. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.